Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 2 for operations. The fourth part is division. Do you know division means subtracted, repeated subtraction. For example, 425 divided by 4. Here 4 is greater, both are equal, then the table of 4, how many times gone in 4? 1 times. Then 4 minus 0. Then 2 comes down 2. Then now 2 is greater, 4 is greater. 4 is greater, 2 is not go in 4. Then we put a 0 in quotient. Next digit we write down 25. Now how many times 4 go in 25? How many times? 6 times 24. Then minus 4 taken away from 5, 1, 2 taken away from 2, 0. Then here this our result is called quotient. Then this number is called a divisor. Then this is called a dividend. This is called a remainder. The result is called a quotient. The dividend, this number is called a dividend. This number is called a divisor. This number is called a remainder. Now we get a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Then divisor 4 multiply 100, 6 plus 1. Then we get 425. Understand? Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Again, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Next, properties of division. First, property of 0. 0 divided by any number, 0 divided by any number, we get 0. The result is 0. For example, 0 divided by 15 is equal to 0. Second, 0 divided by 425, we get 0. What is 0 property? We divide by 0, divide by any number, we get 0. We get the result is 0. That property is called 0 property. Second, we divide by any number itself. The number divide by itself, we get 1. For example, 425 divided by 425, the answer is 1. Again, 17 divided by 17, we get 1. Okay. Next property is divide by 1. We get any number divided by 1, the answer is the number itself. For example, 375 divided by 1 is equal to 375. 375 divided by 1 is equal to 375. Then division by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Division by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and so on. First, 4325 divided by 10. We divide by 10, we remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. We divide by 10, we remove one digit from the right hand side of the number. Here 4325. How many digits we remove? One digit. This 5 is we remove. Then this 432 is quotient is equal to 432. Remainder is equal to 5. Understand? Again 435 divided by 100. We divide by 100. We remove 2 digits from the right hand side of the number. How many digits we remove? 2 digits from the right hand side of the number. Again 4325. How many digits we remove? 2 digits. That is 25. Then left number is your quotient. Quotient is equal to 43. Remainder is equal to 25. Understand? Again divide by 1000. We divide by 1000. We remove 3 digits from the right hand side of the number. How many digits remove? 3 digits from the right hand side of the number. How many digits we remove? 3 digits. That is 325. This is quotient. The left number is 4 is quotient. Quotient is equal to 4. Remainder is equal to 325. Understand? All students understand? Division by 10, 100, 1000. Then division by 4,000. Again 4325 divided by 10,000. How many digits we remove? 4 digits. Okay. We remove 4325. How many digits remove? 4000. The left number is here 0. Then quotient is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 4325. Understand? All students? Then solving problem. How to solve the problem? The cost of five books rupees 400. Find the cost of one book. In previous class we also discussed what WH words are not come in statement. What are? What, how many, how much, find are not come in statement. First, again you read the question. The cost of 5 books rupees 400. Find the cost of one book. Here many given, one find. Many given, one find. Therefore This question is division. Understand? Many given, one find. This question is division. Statement. The cost of 5 books is equal to rupees 400. Second, the cost of 1 book is equal to rupees 400 divided by 5. You divide this number inside of 400 then 5. How many times go in 5? Say the table. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40. 8 times. Then 0 0. This 0 come in downside, or you put this 0, there is other number is not here, you put this 0 in quotient also. Now how many times go 5 and 0? 0 times, therefore we put this 0 here. Okay, our answer is 80 rupees 80. Final answer. Hence rupees 80 is the cost of 1 book. Understand? One more question. Yes. The cost of 15 pence rupees 750. Find the cost of a pen. Again read the question. The cost of 15 pence rupees 750. Find the cost of a pen. Here many given, one find. A means 8. Then solution. The cost of 15 pence rupees 750. Second line. The cost of a pen is equal to rupees 750 divided by 15. Again we divide in the side of the notebook. 750 divide 15. How many times gone in 15 in 750? Say the table of 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75. Here 1 0 left. What do? You put this 0 in quotient or come in downside. Then again how many times go in 15 in 0? How many times? 0 times. Then our answer is rupees 50. Then final answer. Hence rupees 50 is the cost of a pen. Understand? Now again repeat. Again divide by one question also. Four 4,235 divided by 5. Then 4,235 divided by 5. Then 5 is greater, 4 is greater, 5. You take these two numbers together. Now our number is 42. How many times gone? 8 times. 40. Then minus 0 take away from 2, 2, 4 take away from 4, 0, then 3. Again, how many times go 5 in 23? How many times go 5 in 23? How many times? 4 times. Again subtract 3, 0. Then next 5 come in downside. How many times gone? 7 times. 35. Here quotient is equal to 847. Remainder is equal to 0. What is the dividend here? 4,235. What is the divisor here? 5. Understand this, all students? Then I give some questions here. Do question 1 A to E, then question 3 A to F of exercise 2.6 in notebook. Okay? Are you understand? All students understand? Then thank you.